This is an unboxing of our Lenovo T490s. It's just the adapter, power adapter cable. It's a 65-watt power adapter there. And the USB-C one, of course. Some papers. There's no external battery anymore. It's all internal. This is the laptop here. Give you a look at it. Let's just go over the ports. This is the optional smart card reader, just the fans. A USB 3.0 that's always on for charging your devices. Kensington security lock hole. This is for a nano SIM, and the micro SD is in there as well. So it's a 2-tray slot. This side here is where most of the ports are. This is just your USB Type-C 3.1. This is the USB Type-C Gen 2. That's just the Ethernet, and also used as a combo for the dock. This is another USB 3.1 Type A, an HDMI, and a combo audio port. And then on the front here, on the bottom, just open it up. So same keyboard and trackpad as before with the biometric fingerprint reader there, and this one has the little slot for the camera and the dual mics at the top, and that's it.